Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in and checking out.
CHRISTIANA, the maker, checking in. Welcome to project number 39. My name is Christiana. I'm Troy's daughter, so what's up? In this project, we're gonna engrave on some marshmallows. Some jumbo marshmallows. Why, you ask? My dad showed me something on Instagram of someone engraving marshmallows, and I didn't know you could do that. So he was like, yeah, we could do that. He was like, you want to do it? I was like, yeah. So let's go do it. Okay, we have 6 designs, and these are the 6 designs that we're gonna put on the marshmallow.
So the first thing you're gonna have to do is take the cutting tray out. And I have all of the designs on top of the marshmallows. The settings that work for me on these jumbo marshmallows is I didn't really do anything too crazy. I left the speed at 1,000. I put the power at 75 and the lines per inch 225, and I put the focal height all the way up to the max, which is 0.5, which is a 1/4 inch tall, and I just did 1 pass. So these are the settings that I use to engrave onto the marshmallows. Alright, there you have it. They turned out really, really good. Only thing we're missing is an R off of the Troy the Maker, as you can see. The R is missing off of it. It'll be alright. Came off the side. But the Christiana came out really good. The heart, the dog print, the emoji with the smiley face, and the cheerleader. Yep, there you have it. They turned out really good. What you think, Christiana?
I think it turned out good.
She think it turned out good. I think it turned out good too. Thanks for being in the video with me. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. And if you haven't already,
Subscribe.
And we'll see you in the next project. And also let me know, she's kind of nervous on doing the video. So leave some comments below to encourage her to be in more videos with me, because she don't like being in videos with me sometimes. It makes her nervous. So leave some positive comments below to encourage her to be in the videos with me. And I'll see you in the next project.
Peace.